Ever found yourself sighing in disappointment as you toss another batch of spoiled berries? Well, we've got good news for you. It's time to revolutionize your berry game and extend their freshness with a simple, yet surprisingly effective hack: a vinegar wash. Yes, you heard that right. And no, it will not leave your strawberries tasting like salad dressing. You'll simply need water, vinegar, and that's it. This easy method gets rid of bacteria and mold spores, keeping your berries fresh for much longer so you can enjoy your favorite fruits without needing to rush against the clock. Not to mention, it adds a little zing to your kitchen routine. It's time to say goodbye to spoiled berries. Stay tuned for the step-by-step guide for this fantastic way of preserving the yumminess of your berries. Long live your fruits. Picture this. You're deep into your work, carefully organizing a stack of essential documents. Suddenly, the unthinkable happens. A crucial paper tears. Do you panic? No, because you've got the unsung hero on your side, the humble clear tape. This isn't just another sticky stationery item. Instead, it is a superhero that swoops in to turn frustration into satisfaction in mere seconds. Its transformative power is astonishing. Imagine you're a surgeon, not in the operations room, but at your desk. In your hands is not a scalpel, but the clear tape, ready to mend that which has been torn apart. With precise attention, you tile one end of the tape over the torn part, then the other. Your document is now healed. Oh, the joy, the magic. The clear tape, your everyday lifesaver, fixing woes one torn document at a time. We've all been there, haven't we? The excitement of biting into a fresh and soft cookie fading into disappointment when we discover it's dry and hard. Welcome to the Cookie Rescue Mission, where we introduce you to a surprising hero, a humble slice of bread. Believe it or not, this everyday hero, born in your very own kitchen, has the power to rescue those leftover, dry cookies and breathe freshness back into them. This simple rescue involves placing a slice of bread in your cookie jar. Its magic works overnight, transforming the stale taste into a moist, soft texture as if the cookies were made just minutes ago. So next time you're about to curse dry cookies, remember your savior could just be a slice away. Join us on this deliciously exciting journey to unlock the secret to longer-lasting cookies. Hey there, folks! Tired of battling your pesky fitted sheets, ending up shoving them into your closet in a messy bundle, creating chaos? We hear your long-standing struggle, and we've got something revolutionary for you. It's a simple, life-changing technique that will transform your linen closet from a war zone into a haven of organization. Welcome to the fitted sheet folding revolution, a space where your fitted sheets are no longer your enemy, but a neatly folded friend. Imagine opening your closet and seeing all your fitted sheets, neatly folded and stacked. No mess, no hassle, easing you into a peaceful experience. How to reap the benefits of this revolution, you ask? Just stick with us as we unveil the magic. We promise, once you've nailed this revolutionary technique, you're never going back to the old ways. Are you tired of wrestling with tricky mango peels, only to end up with a mess and wasted fruit? Well, we've got an enchanting kitchen experience for you. Imagine if you could transform the peeling task into a fun, easy, and magical encounter, all thanks to a majestic piece of kitchenware. A simple, sleek glass. Intrigued? Let's dive into the Mango Magic Unleashed. This cunning method doesn't just save you time, but also keeps all the delicious mango perfectly intact. Let's convert your kitchen into an enchanting realm where mangoes are tamed, thanks to the unlikely hero, your glass. Brace yourself for the dazzling spectacle of effortlessly achieving perfect mango slices, adding a dash of magic to your everyday fruit prep. This enchanting kitchen trick is not just a hack, it's a lifestyle transformation wrapped in simplicity and efficiency. So here is our spell. A glass, a mango, and poof, perfect slices. Get ready for the mango magic.